Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from SYNCO Concept, and this is the SYNCO G2 wireless microphone. For less than $100, is it any good? Well, let's find out then. Now I should mention that at some point of this video, I may pronounce this as SYNCO, so just bear with me. The SYNCO G2 comes with everything you need for a seamless audio experience. Inside the box, you'll find the receiver, the transmitters, windshields, lav mics, plus it is packed with cables for smartphones, cameras, and even USB-C compatibility. They even include these strong magnets, which makes them easier to clip to the shirt and other clothing. The case is quite hefty because it comes with a 3400 mAh battery, which charges both receiver and transmitters simultaneously. It also charges via USB Type-C, so that is a great thing. I should also mention that it is a hard case, so you can be rest assured that your devices will be protected. The battery indicator for the case is shown in levels of 4 LEDs on its right side. Taking a look at the transmitters, they both come with an onboard microphone at the top, the denoise and volume buttons on the right, the mic, the Type-C charging port, and the power/mute button on the left. The screen is at the front and the clothing clip at the back. This is where the strong magnets are attached as well. You would also notice 3 charging pins on the back. For the receiver, there is an audio out, the Type-C charging port, and power off and on button, which also doubles as the switch for mono and stereo on the left. The volume adjustment buttons for mic A and mic B are on the right. And finally, the clothing clip at the back. The receiver also comes with 3 charging pins but are separated. I would also recommend you get these microphone handles if you intend to shoot any form of interviews out in the open. And for solo shooters, you might as well just connect your lav mics to the transmitters and hide them for a more hands-free experience. Once done, get the appropriate cable for the receiver and your devices, and you are good to go. The cable for the cameras have a little indication on them, making it easier to identify. One thing I like about the SYNCO G2 is its ultra compact design. Each unit weighs just 1.38 ounces and fits comfortably in your pocket. This wireless microphone also features a 2.4 GHz wireless connection with a range of up to 230 feet. This means that you can move further away from your devices and still get clear and crisp audio. Another standard feature is the full-color TFT display, which shows real-time audio levels, battery status, and connection strength. It's super easy to monitor your settings and make adjustments on the go. Now, unlike my Andua wireless microphone, it is only the receiver that gets the display. And still, unlike those mics, the SYNCO G2 connects automatically when taken out of the case. So if for some reason you always forget to turn on the microphones each time, with these you don't have to ever worry. The G2 also offers an advanced noise cancellation feature with 150 Hz low-cut filter, which sounds like this. Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from SYNCO Concept, and this is the audio quality of the SYNCO G2 onboard microphone on the transmitter. I currently have the denoise feature turned off, so let's compare it with the denoise feature turned on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from SYNCO Concept, and this is the sound quality of the onboard microphone. This time around, we have the denoise feature turned on. I believe there's a significant difference, but this is an indoor setup, so unless we probably take it outside in a windy environment for us to know how good or how bad it is. So here's a test of the audio quality in different scenarios. Alright, so this is the audio quality of the SYNCO wireless microphone. Currently, I have it inside this stick and I have the foam around it so you can pretty much hear how it sounds like. On the second microphone, I have the transmitter right here and I have connected a 3.5 lapel microphone to it so that if you have any ideas of clipping it to your shirt or on your talents, you will know how it sort of sounds like. Unfortunately, I do not have the foam on it, so if there's any form of wind noises, you'll be able to hear it also in this audio. So again, let me know how the lapel microphone also sounds in this test. And for the third test, we are just using the onboard microphone on the transmitter. So let me know how this one also sounds like. Again, unfortunately, I do not have the dead cat wind filter on it, so you may hear some wind noises also in it. For this next test, I'm going to test how much range I can get from it. Now, they have stated quite long range with this, but how best is it in terms of real life? I'm also going to turn around just so if you are speaking and you are also not facing the camera directly, is your body going to block the transmission? That is what I'm also going to test. So let's see if I can move as far back as possible. Unfortunately for this test, unlike the Rode Wireless Go 2, which you can find more up here or down in the description below, and the Andua wireless microphone, I am shooting all of this by myself, so I can't move too far from the camera. So yeah, you never know what may happen. Also, I'm shooting this with my Nikon Z5, and the lens I'm using is the 28 to 75mm f2.8 lens, and I'm currently shooting at the 28mm, so we are getting more of a wide shot. So let me know, guys, if you can still hear me, then that is quite impressive. I believe anyone going to be doing any form of interviews or anything related to audio, you are not going to be this far away from your transmitter or receiver in this case. So again, if you can still hear me, then this is quite an impressive feat. Let me go back to the camera. The SYNCO G2 runs up to 8 hours on a single charge and takes about an hour and a half to fully recharge. Plus, with the included 3-in-1 charging case, you can power the transmitters and receiver simultaneously. You can also monitor your audio in real time. Just connect your headphones to the receiver and you can instantly hear and adjust your audio during recording. With features like dual channel recording, mono and stereo output, and seamless compatibility with multiple devices, the SYNCO G2 is a must-have. Speaking of compatibility, I didn't know this and I found out unintentionally that if you connect the receiver via the USB Type-C port to a computer, you can actually use any of the microphones as an external microphones for recording audio directly into your computer. This is the SYNCO connected directly to the camera. Testing. This works perfectly. So there you have it. For less than $100, this is a great investment. So let me know, guys, would you go for something like this, or you rather go for the Rode Wireless Go 2, which I have already made a review about? You can find up here or down in the description below. But again, in my opinion, this is quite an amazing purchase. Anyway, if you're interested in buying this or anything I have mentioned in this video, kindly check the affiliate links in the description below. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Filmmakers, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.